Taxation Department are nine talk do chuan a video hena puidon lu tuk chewa, but at an extent. Masing naning again do chuan and videos done previous years and solve chow turmo as much as possible. When a Mizoram Public Service Commission General Competitive Examination for recruitment to the post of Upper Division Clerk under Taxation Department or Taxation Department paper 2 consult on MPSC MCS preliminary 2015, 16, 17, 18, late 21 consult or boka. So you can check out there in the playlist. Question pakateten consult dona questions they tra intan questions ay all to kani pona poimelo at least practice ula tamdo ngai lawa video say don bok lawa. So question number 76 consult dona train runs at 45 km per hour yeah. So speed equals to ungiven 45 km per hour chon and ruai tahian time second awma chon answer po hey meter awma chumi wangchen meter per second akan convert potanga. So 45 km per hour meter per second akan convert don chon ange kan ti train 5 by 18 meter per second in kan multiply trina 45 le 18 in 9 in kan cancel te. So 9 5s are 45 and trina 9 2s are 18 5 le 5 can multiply jan 25 and yeah. So 25 divided by 2 to 12.5 so tahian 12.5 meter per second kan to tuna speed chonai time pon given at t equals to 6 second. What do we have to find out? How far does it go in 6 second at the so distance equals to again train speed into time and trina exact speed 12.5 meter per second and yeah chon time exact ti chon 6 second second le second kan cancel nga meter che obanga nga tan tro 12.5 multiplied by 6 chu exact ni train ta hendu le point da sonula ti hian hemi 5 in cancel ila 2 time hemi 5 in cancel ila to exact ni 25 times. So 2 le 6 kan cancel chon exact ni 3 and yeah 25 multiplied by 3 chu 75 meter. Option number A will be our correct answer. So the question number 77. The average age of 7 boys is 15 years. So Assam exact ngani don left hand side Assam equals to right hand side Assam kan ziak trina. So 7 multiplied by 15 plus tahian another boy joins them. Another boy age can shemi alo chumi function x can assume chon join nuwa average age becomes 14 anidai mo a joiner chona an average age ka 15 ani tolo pakhatin claim de ya. So tuna chona vine mi pasarianom tolo nya pariatanom to maseng an average tarka 14 ania 8 14 zarang zat ngati chon 112 ani trina chutiam bok chon 7 multiplied by 15 ang zat ngati chon zale panga ani trin hemi zale panga hi hela ma kan zia ka achanju atezo kama 112 aina tezo ka claim zo ka chumi function hela ma kan zia de nga. So 112 minus 105 chu ang zat nge x will be equals to 7 years. So the age of that boy new boy will be 7 years. Option number B is our correct answer. To our question number 78. A rectangular field is exact a length tichon hey rectangular field in ngaila 120 meters and etro chon a breadth here broad 90 meter broad and yeah enget hildang find the cost of leveling it at the rate of 15 paise per square meter. 15 paise antinio 15 paise antinia 15 paise. So a area can find out put an area again it train length into breadth and it train 120 multiplied by 90 meters square. So 12 multiplied by 9 ju zale pariyata ni trina chon bial pani hi anungati hian kan ziak denga. So area will be this much. Maseng find the cost of leveling it at the rate of 15 paise per square meter nya ngai toru 1 meter square equals to 15 paise ani chuan 10800 meter square ang zat ngani don ti chon 10800 into 15 paise anetro hemi hi rupia answer hemi mo answer hi rupia ania rupia convert to in 100 in can divide train so achunga po 0 pani oma waya po 0 pani oma tro if you multiply 108 le 15 kan multiply chon en ruti hian ti thinula in thlua karang da in solve tayang zale pariat multiplied by 15 engzat nge ti chuan engtin nge kan solve dan tur chu ti hian en ru zale pariatania hemi 15 hi ti hian kan ziak thei in shatia mem za pariat hi so min kan multiply nga so 10 18 ya hemi hi 5 in kan multiply nga 540 anitrin 0 2 6 1 hebitin nei chuan rang da in solve thei don hemi mo ti hian in solve tur ni tuna question number 79 can solve the present worth of rupees 990 due hey due om le to so amount kan mang don nimina po khan 2017 paper MPSC prelims paper 2 apo han tiang question pa ti ran choka tro an lo zota so due a om chon amount kan zia trin amount will be equals to hemi present worth ania engzat ngani don 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power 1 nga tinga chan choi 1 year hence anti so a present worth hemi ni tro p hi kan shem yelawa chona due amount ka engzat ngati za kwale som kwa p 1 plus r engzat mo 10 ania divided by 100 1 raised to the power 1 ania 0 le 0 on cancel 1 by 10 tuna hemi kan simplify 11 by 10 ania 11 multiple na tro 99 9 zar na tro chumi function 9 kan zia kanga chona hnuai mi 10 hi 19 and kan multiply de trina chumi function ti hian 10 multiplied by 90 chu 900 so hemi hi present word chuni tuna question number 80 tluanga buys 50 oranges okay engzatin 5 oranges panga aleya cheng engzatin cheng thumin chumi function tahan kan ziak nga cost price of 5 oranges equals to tahian hami tian tila oranges equals to cheng thum ania tiambo chon cost price of 1 orange engzat nge ni don ti chon 3 by 5 ani dona cheng 3 by 5 ani dona tuna ashal le hai oranges so mashala selling price of 10 oranges cheng sari ania tiambo chon selling price of 1 orange engzat nge ni don 7 by 10 ani dona tuna hemi hi engzat nge 3 by 5 engzat nge ni trinti chon 0.6 ani trina 7 by 10 engzat nge ni trinti chon 0.7 ani trin so enge ni don profit nge loss ti chon profit ani dona chan chu selling price ya tamzo ka so engzat nge profit tahan kan ziak nga profit equals to selling price minus cost price so selling price engzat nge 7 by 10 ania cost price engzat nge 3 by 5 ania LCM 10 ania 7 minus 6 so 1 by 10 profit kan nei to tro tihian kan ziak te ya profit equals to 1 by 10 masing profit person engzat nge ti chuan 1 by 10 divided by cost price into 100 kan te train tro chumi function cost price engzat nge 3 by 5 ania tuna hemi 5 le hemi 10 hi 2 kan cancel anga chuan 100 divided by 2 into 3 2 le 100 he can cancel 50 times in so 50 by 3% hemi he can answer 50 by 3 option number A he can answer nya question number 81 a kite is flying with a string 150 meter long nya okay string 150 meter long lekha chai tahian lekha chai nia it makes an angle 30 degree with an horizontal okay the 30 degree horizontal and siyama the height of the kite from the ground okay hemi height hemi kite hi hemi lekha che hi a height engzat nge from the ground ti chon enge kan manang string length and given a 150 meter okay pubia kapa high hot peak ti ka kan mang lenga pubia kapa high hot big mo ami mang atangkail du kami formula in ria chon cosine height and distance mi chu rangdo in solve tang engleng nge kan nei hemi sin theta ni thina mi cos theta ni thina mi tan theta ni thin so sin theta kan manga sin theta will be equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse perpendicular kan shall outro a height hinia hypotenuse engzat nge zale somnga a string length meter jon sin 30 theta in 30 kan putanga sin 30 engzat nge ni thin ti chuan class 10 ami students tapon an shianga 1 by 2 ni thina jon equals to h by 150 anwaya I 2 le 150 and cancel 75 meters so what will be the height 75 meters option C he can answer 75 meters to now question number 82 the sum of all the natural numbers from 1 to 100 sum of all the natural numbers from 1 to 100 and teach one more hemi 100 1 to 100 mo exam da 1 to 1000 mo 1 to hey 10000 and teach one kan ti tur ka shlang chau 100 hi 2 in kan divide nga engzat nge somnga ne tro hemi somnga bokhi anunga voi khat kan zia kang so 50-50 kan answer nia maseng basic method ka and then 1 to 1000 chutita se a half engzat nge 500 tro 500 boki anunga voi khat kan ziak liang mi nia trick ania mi chuwa maseng basic method in kan solve anga basic method chu heminia 1 2 3 4 5 dash 100 and tro so number masaber a ange 1 chuan total number engzat nge 100 ania chuan common difference engzat nge hey a2 minus a1 1 ania a3 minus a2 1 ania chumi wangjun common difference engzat nge ti chuan 1 ania so sum of all the natural number ange formula ni chin s equals to n by 2 chuan 2a plus n minus 1 d ani chin n engzat nge za oma total number zania 2a a to 1 and etro so 2 into 1 to 2 nia plus n minus 1 to 100 minus 1 99 and it chun common difference 1 ania 99 multiplied by 1 to 99 and it na 99 apani kan bel chun zale pakhatania zahi twin kan divide chun somnga ania somnga le zale pakhat kan multiply chun somnga le somnga in shathia mem hemi basic method ania chun trick ka soiga chu hemi nia vaikat I'll repeat once again and then 1 to 100 and 100 twin kan divide the somnga ni hemi somnga hi voi ka tanunga kan ziak liang ti hian so 50-50 is the correct answer question number 83 and do hemi equation himo 2x minus y equals to 4 ania chuan equation dang zo ki 6x minus 3y hi engzat nge ani don mitam takan buai dona masenga house ai ka shilang cheu andrew x coefficient enge 2 ania heta x coefficient enge 6 ania om zia chu 3 kan multiply tro chu tiang bok chon y coefficient enge -1 ania heta y coefficient enge -3 ania enge om zia chu ale thum ania hemi number po hi 3 in kan multiply de yang so what will be the answer 4 multiplied by 3 chu 12 will be our correct answer option number b hi kan answer question number 84 a and b together can do a piece of work in nirukan tizautheya omzechu an panin an thokduna nirukan thokzawa but if b alone can finish it in niryata b na thokchuan hey tokdalom 1 by a equals to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8 LCM exact nge 24 4 minus 3 paliya train pathum kan pejon pakhatania tro so 1 by a equals to 1 by 24 and a ni khathozat 1 by 24 and each one a full any exact ange thokzaute don 24 days so option number c will be our correct answer to na question number 85 can solve which term of the arithmetic progression is 55 ania 55 hi number 55 hi eng term number exact na nge awam don hemi series a hian tina berania so 3 7 11 15 examine tinan formula in shiat lochon ti hian in ti papanga mo all sum mai don ta ti hian 15 am pali zel kan e danga 19 23 27 31 35 39 43 47 51 jan 55 tian in chiar menga pakhat pani pathum pali panga paru pasari pariat pakwa som pa som pani som pathum som pali so our answer will be how much som pali ni mai ta tian hey simple den kan chiar chuan formula kan ria chon hun tam dong ai lawa achan chu because tn equals to a plus n minus 1 d and etro tn kan ria 55 a kan ria hai pathumania number masaber chuan n kan ria m kan shalawa n minus 1 d common difference 7 minus 3 po 4 ania 11 minus 7 po 4 ania 15 minus 11 po 4 ania chumi wangchun common difference or hemitry helama kan transfer anga so 55 minus 3 chu 52 ania 52 4 in kan divide theyam exact nge ni don 13 ania chan hemi minus 1 ni helama kan transfer jun plus 1 ani dona so 13 plus 1 so n equals to how much n will be equals to 13 plus 1 so 14 answer chu enang don mo in du dain in solve thai dinai chu exam hola hemi question number 86 the perimeter of a semicircle is hemisphere thiamai circle pakhat perimeter engzat nge ani threnti chon 2 pi r ani thin hemisphere ula chon a half alaya tangin kadde taila engzat nge perimeter ani don 2 pi r ani thina katma khan tuna kan kata 2 equal portion a 2 equal part a kan kata chumi wangchon hemi hi ni dona pi r ani dona ma seng katnuwa hemi length in muem hei hemi r hi le hemi r r pani kan add ang ta hian achan chu hemi length hi om de ya heta hi chona om velo in muem hemi distance hi om velawa ma seng semicircle achon hemi distance hi aloin produce de zela so 2 r kan sia kang chu tiang bok chon exam a tun trum hemi hi lo chuak ta se hemi chu complete circle ania complete circle cc hemi hi semicircle ania hemi hi chu quarter circle kan ti theya 1/4 part ania hemi engtin ge kan solve and tinan what is the perimeter of a quarter circle ti chuan amo perimeter of a quarter circle is ti chuan antinga kan tia ama kan kas ama pun kasei to complete circle ani chon 2 pi r ania voi khat kan kat chuan 2 part ania chumi wangchon 2 in kan divide anga 4 parts kan nei chuan engtin nge ni don by 4 kan tiang so pi r by tahian ka ziak nga pi r by 2 ani dona ma seng hey hemi r le hemi r po hi kan belangai so 2r this will be the answer for quarter circle poi mol tu kanemi question mo tuna question number 87 the probability that an ordinary year has 53 sundays ordinary year a engzat nge tahan ka ziak nga ordinary year a ni engzat nge om trin ti chon 365 days om trin tro 365 days om trina kum khata sunday engzat nge a om trin somnga pani a om trina Monday engzat nge om trin somnga pani om trina Tuesday engzat nge om trin somnga pani om trina Wednesday engzat nge om trin somnga pani om trina Thursday engzat nge om trin somnga pani om trina Friday engzat nge om trin somnga pani om trina Saturday engzat nge om trin dijon somnga le pani a om trin a vine kan beljon 364 days ani don maseng hemi hi 365th day hi day pakhata bang don lo mi chumi wangchon hemi day hi engpo ani thai Sunday po ni thaya Monday po ni thaya Tuesday po ni thaya Wednesday po ni thaya Thursday po ni thaya Friday po ni thaya Saturday po ni thai chumi wangchon enge kan formula ani thin kan formula chu probability will be equals to number of favorable outcomes ani tro favorable outcomes chu engpo ani thai pakhat mo chon engzata pasaria dujon Saturday po ni thaya Sunday po ni thai so kan answer will be 1 in 7 hey 1/7 he can answer ni don question number 88 a bag contains 7 red 5 white and 3 black balls dan bag pakhat siamila draw ila nami antinan Adidas bag ti hian Adidas mo sign po ti hian ha chen red balls pasari oma ta hian pakhat mo pani pathum pali panga paruk le pasariya oma oh after that 5 white balls oma white chu hemi ka mangmayanga ti hian pakhat pani pathum pali le panga okay white chu alang don lawa background white ne ba chon after that 3 black balls so black po pathum draw ilata hian pakhat pani chuanen pathum okay talk tian again question again the probability of getting neither white nor black okay neither white le black omlo veve turani chuan enge omvakanga avar le adum kan consider lawa enge bang red chi abanga chon red engzat nge vine pasari oma total balls engzat nge ti chon 7 plus 5 plus 3 hemi kan answer 7 plus 3 10 10 plus 5 15 so 7/15 option number D will be our correct answer question number 89 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows okay then the number of omzia chu helamale helam ainang veve turania total 2025 oma enge kan tiang a into a nia so a square will be 2025 anetro so a will be how much root 2025 ka short video and to chuan all some the when mean solve tayang 25 atopa 25 omatro atopa 25 om chon answer a po atopa 5 om nge nga ya 20 hi factor pani gan siama 4 multiplied by 5 ate zo ki kan answer ni thina achan chu pakhat kan bel thina ni lomi 4 a pakhat kan bela chon kan multiply thin 20 ani dona 45 will be our answer hemi shortcut ania initiate tiam lo chon voi khat ka shille chunga and ru 2025 hemi 15 square exact nge ti chuan amapon ka soito atopa 5 oma 25 ania 1 a pakhat kan bela kan multiply thin so 1 le 2 kan multiply ya 2 225 ania 15 square chu tiang bok chuan 25 square exact nge ti chuan hey atopa 5 oma 25 chu om nge tur chuan pahnia pakhat kan bela exact nge pathum so 2 le 3 kan multiply chuan 625 chu tiang bok chuan practice na satlu tuk chuan kan shatiam ngal dona 45 ayan tro 45 square is how much 5 square chu 25 ani nge dona palia pakhat kan bela panga ne tro chuan pali le panga chu 20 nia so kan answer to chu 45 option am tro 45 poimi alonia I chicken thiam lo pona poilowa 2025 square root and thing I can find out thin kha hey bar ti hian kan da thina chon number nai berenge 20 masing atlaim shatur perfect square tan kan ziak nga 3 aniam no 9 ani dei dona 4 poloma so 4 4s are 16 ania tan nge bang don 425 chon enge kan next step kha hemi double kan ziak thin ta hian emo hemi plus hemi kan ziak thina exact nge 8 tuna heta hian number pahat kan ziak nga chumi number chu heta pan kan ziak thina 1 kan zia chuan a thei don lo 81 chi ani dona 2 kan zia chuan a thei don lowa achan chu 164 ani dona chumi van number pahat kan thlanga 5 kan danga tan 5 kan danga 85 5s are 425 ani thin hai engma bang lo tro so kan answer will be 45 so option number D is a correct answer in dudu dain in solve ya question number 90 a shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs okay a cost price exact nge ni don a vine exact mo total bulbs exact nge total bulbs is 200 chon cheng somin alai hemi sign hi hemi exam a hian rupee anginan mang hemi sign mo rupee anginan mang ani so total cost price exact nge ni don 200 bulb 200 multiplied by 10 so sang ni in alaya bulb exact zani alai however 5 bulbs were defective ngai tola bulb zania changin panga achia chimi wangchon 195 bulb bang tro ala thati nania the remaining bulbs were sold at cheng sompanin hemi remaining bulb hi panga chiat nuwa zasom ko panga banga hemi bulb zasom ko panga hi cheng sompani hisabina shal so cheng sompani hisabina shal chuan exact nge ni don hey 3195 so 0432 2340 so selling price of 195 bulbs will be 2340 then kan ziak nga selling price of 195 bulbs will be how much 2340 han ngai to tau cost price a claim zo kadro selling price ain so profit nge ni don loss ti chon profit ani dona achiang sa lo mai a selling price tam zo ka so zathum le somli ne tros sp minus cp chon anwaya chon cost price kan ziak chen multiplied by 100 anwaya ai achunga bl pathuma ma anwaya bl pathuma ma so enge remaining 34 by 2 34 by 2 is 17% option amtro option number C is our correct answer tuna question number 91 in a laboratory the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2% written given a 2% per hour and throw if the count of bacteria initially was okay initially and given a exact present value and given p equals to 5 hey atizathenia then at the end of 2 hours it will increase to time point given a 2 hours tayan amount kan mangdona amount hi ange formula ci plus enge principal ani thintro so dar kar ni nuwa chon an increase liang chu chumi wang chon tayan p 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power 2 kan tiang om zia ber chu dar som pania bacteria singa an om chuan dar som pani le minute nia singa khachu an omdon ngei in shatia mem principal hisab pon ngei to chinila dar som pania principal 50000 ani chuan dar som panile minute nia principal kha chu omdon ngei ma se interest po kha omtel don chumi wangchon tan enge kan man don amount kan mang don ci kan mang don lo mo mitam takan boy trina a equals to p angzat nge initially 50000 ania chuan 1 plus r angzat r chu 2% ania so ti hian so hemi can simplify ya 1 plus 2 by 100 chu 102 by 100 102 by 100 102 square angzat nge ti chuan 102 square chu za pani tama so 104 chuan 2 square chu 04 so 10404 and kan zia kanga a will be equals to 50000 into 10404 by za square chu sing khatan rin so sing khata chunga mi le sing khatan hoi mi kan cancel denga enge bang don 5 multiplied by eng 10404 so kan multiply nga 20205 a will be equals to 52020 option number b is our correct answer hemi option hi kan adik tuna chuan question number 92 the greatest number that will exactly divide greatest number anti chimi wangchan 200 le 320 SCF all sum the enemy chumo SCF can find out ang enge SCF ani don hemi 40 in can multiply the 45 are chon hemi 40 in can multiply the 48 are so what will be the SCF chu highest common factor 14 ni mailo question number 93 the value of expression hemi 2 plus 2 21242 here ngam zia 2 plus 2 multiplied by 21242 of 2 tam don ve ang lo masang option achon claim lam to te lam to ka an typing mistake ani hemi an type diklo so tahian tichinang 2 plus 2 multiplied by hit and trial put ve to pangkai mani thuin mo 2 of 2 ania plus le plus data ila plus le plus kan da chuan 2 plus 2 to the 4 and it 4 plus 2 6 plus 6 12 form sila okay and each one tahian minus daila heta plus da chinela 2 to the 4 hemi chu unmani ti diklo nia printing mistake ania typing error hemi minus 2 nia 2 to the 4 ania chon 2 le 2 an cancel 8 hemi poi ala dik chuang lowa enge ani theyo tahian minus le multiply ti chinang of ania hemi multiply 2 to the 4 4 is 8 ani tro 8 apali kan minus 4 minus 2 hemi poi theidon chuang lowa minus le divide mang chinila 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 minus 2 divided by 2 of 2 so 2 2s are 4 ania divided by 2 minus 2 2s are 4 ania plus 2 le pali chu parukania chuan 2 by 4 chu angzat nge ni don 1 by 2 chu 0.5 ani trina paruka changin 0.5 kan pechon yes 5.5 in shatiamam so in dujon incorrect thai hemi mo tian kan thluak kan nei lom le du le MPSC lama changin diklo pom se kai mani in kan ti dik thai hemi minus ani dona chan hemi hi divide to 4 and divide question number 94 ab hemi chu hawe a is to b is to c tuna ab noya 3 le 4 kan zia kanga b le c noya 8 le 9 kan zia kang chon hemi ruwa ka hian ana abulami number 4 kan danga hemi ruwa hian abulami number 8 kan dang tuna eng man ti tolonga 3 le 8 kan multiply ya 24 ania 4 le 8 kan multiply ya 32 nia 4 le 9 can multiply 36 tuna hemi kan cancel vekanga 4 in 4 6 are 4 8 are 4 9 are 6 8 9 om hey option number c du chuan tiang po hian kan solve thei tho moi mi en tirnan hey ratio anom veka so kan cancel thei 4 le hemi 2 ti hian kan cancel thei hemi tan kan danga chuan hatan 1 le 1 kan dang so 3 2s are 6 ania hemi 8 1s are 8 ania 9 1s are 9 6 8 9 option number c will be your correct answer question number 95 the multiplicative identity of a rational number chumo entiklai pon amapon inen tonga -1 by 2 ani chon enge minus 2 ani don enge achan atopa 1 kan si mga trin minus minus plus ania 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 chu 1 ani trin in shati amem minus 7 by 3 ani chuan enge multiplicative inverse ti chuan minus 3 by 7 hey mi plus ani nga 7 by 7 le 3 by 3 chu 1 ani don chumi wan chu 1 ni kan siam ngai trin so option number B hi can answer. Question number 96. The area of rhombus is how much? Area of rhombus 240 square centimeter. One diagonal is D1 and given a exact 16 centimeter. Then the other diagonal. Hamichu all tukringot enge reason area of rhombus enge nitrin D1 D2 by 2 anitrin. Talk there. A exact nge zani somli D1 exact nge 16 D2 kan shalo x angin ngaila chon 2 hi 16 can cancel out 16 by 2 to 8 and yeah chuan 8 in 240 can cancel nga what will be the answer? So 30 will be the answer, so 30 centimeter. A go down is in the form of cuboid. Okay, cuboid chu tihian ania tihian hey tihian letra chuan in thildang engan given dimension 16 ya 14 ya chun 13 ya. How many cuboidal boxes can be stored in amapan kasaito alian zog dimension achunga kan ziak thina tihian chun atezog dimension chu anwaya kan ziak thin so 18 cubic meter 8 cubic meter ania 1 box volume chu tihian meter cube achunga meter pathuma ma multiplication anwaya po meter pathuma ma so kan cancel thai cancel nga 18 hami kan cancel them 5 times kan cancel thai tro so 5 tan zia kila tuna 60 multiplied by 5 chu zathumania chuan 13 kan multiply nga 9000 option number B will be our correct answer. There are question number 98. There are 100 students, okay, in a hostel. Food provision for them is for 20 days. Mi poi masala thau kan mangdona tahian MDH. So MDH1 equals to MDH2. Tahian H kan mamolo H hi angai lo. Men one exact nge 100 students and yeah chun provision for 20 days and etro so D1 and given how long will this provision last tro how long anti chumi function D2 kan shalawa chun M2 hi exact nge if 25 more students join 25 more and each one za 25 kan add so zale somni panga chu za somni panga ne tro tihian so an cancel D2 will be how much 100 multiplied by 20 by 125 hemi 25 in cancel 25 4s are 25 5s are 5 table are 20 oma 4 times so 4 multiplied by 4 to 16 days option yes option number C. So question number 99 here the simplified value of 1 by 3 of tan kazianga 1 by 3 of 9 by 2 minus bracket 3 by 5 plus 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 2 1 by 3 hemi poi kan check angai don ni hata point 1 anti 1 hemi 1 anti eloxo na china han enge code man ka hemi hi minus an mga tro chen hemi hi plus hemi hi division an mga chimi wang chen hemi poi minus mang chinang hemi mo hey hemi 1 hi minus angin an code an yang minus hemi can solve ma sabar trina board ma sa chuan off hi so off means what multiply 3 le 9 can cancel out 3 by 2 hemi pum 3 by 2 ni dona chuan tildang bracket can solve nga ti hian 3 by 5 plus 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 ange ti chuan 1 by 6 ani chin chuan amapan ka sei to fraction panin kara division sign om chuan sign kan da sananga multiplication sign kan da chun 1 by 6 ka 6 by 1 kan ti dei dona 3 table 6 oma 2 times 2 multiplied by 2 chu 4 ta hian 4 kan ziak nga ti hian tu tiang bok chuan emi hi ti hian ti la 3 by 5 plus 4 chu exact nge 23 by 5 by 5 ani trina tu na hemi kan solve nga bak chuang mam tholo 3 5s are 15 ania minus 2 23s are 46 by 2 5s are 10 som panga peila 46 atangin 31 abang dona basing sin minus om dona so minus 31 by 10 option number D. Question number 100. Diameter of the wheel is diameter 70 thro wheel ania a diameter 70 ni chon a radius exact ngani don radius will be 35 centimeter. Radius will be 35 centimeter. It moves slowly along the road. Mo tihian a move. For how long will it go in 5 revolution? Ngai tola 1 revolution a chuan 2 pi r distance a cover train thro. Chu tiang bok chuan 5 revolution a exact nge cover don 5 multiplied by 2 pi r. Atok abak chuang mat kan ziangai tolo 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by pi chu 22 by 7 ania chuan a radius is 35 ania. So 35 by 7 chu 5 ania thro. Tahan kan zia kanga 5 kan zia kang tuna 5 2s are 10 ania. So tahian 10 kan zia kanga 22 5s are exact nge ti chuan zale so 10 multiplied by zale som chu 1100 centimeter distance a cover dona. So option number B is our correct answer. Okay. At tolwa questions video try ti chuan in like nga channel in subscribe lo chu in subscribe nga chuan in triante in share thai boka. So next video akan hule tho don ya. Thank you.